Hi, just doing a quick review on the new Ryobi cordless 18-volt vacuum. Uses the standard Ryobi 18-volt batteries. This is the 4 amp hour battery that I use, and it's very simple. Just snap it into place and you have a vacuum to go anywhere with you. It is a wet dry vac. I haven't used it for water. Don't really plan on it. I just use it for around the house and for vacuuming the cars. The attachments are all held down with these strong stretch cords. Same thing on the back. Very quick and easy to get the attachments out. The top of the vacuum comes off very easy with 4 clips. And inside you'll see there's a filter which is easily removed if you want to change it out once it gets dirty, and it also has the overfill valve that will close if there's too much water in it, so you don't suck water into the motor. The other thing I really like is it has this really nice rubber seal that goes all the way around the top, so you have no air leaks or water leaks if it's full. I saw a couple of reviews on Home Depot's website saying it was really loud. I don't feel it is. It's just slightly louder than my corded shop vac. I'll turn it on so you can hear it. It's really not that much louder. The vacuum is extremely light. I have no complaints with this thing. It's a really nice unit. I'm glad they came out with it. Makes my life a lot easier, especially when I have to bring it outside. I don't have to mess with extension cords and plugging in the side of the house and all that mess. So I highly recommend this.